Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to create canvas in Obsidian. First, click on this icon to create a new canvas. Give it a name, then double click anywhere to create this box. Edit content, and click this icon to change its color. You can scale it. Also, you can add a note to your canvas by clicking this icon. Choose the note you want to add, and yeah, here is the note added successfully. To create link between these canvas items, you can click the dot and drag and drop the arrow until the other canvas object. You can also insert an image by clicking this icon, selecting the image, and yeah, you have successfully created your canvas in Obsidian. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.